all along. If you're feeling this song, ooh-dee-dee, ooh-la-la. Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick it up, no.
Latvia is a beautiful country in North Europe, renowned for its stunning landscape, rich history, and diving costumes. The country culture is the fascinating blend of Baltic, Germanic, and Slavic influence in which have evolved to create a unique and vibrant identity. One of the features of Latvia culture is its deep appreciation for culture and environmental preservation. The home of vast forest and rivers lake which has been protected through a range of national parks and nature reserves. Tradition Latvia often incorporating national elements such as the use of birch branch in central rituals and the decoration of homes, flowers, and herbs. Latvia costumes also reflect counting agriculture heritage and close relationship with the land. Celebrate as Jani the summer solstice are marked by the gathering wildflowers and the lighting of bonfires. While traditional foods like rye bread and smoked fish reflect importance of farming and fishing to Latvia culture. Music and also significant aspect of Latvia costumes, with folk song and traditional dance playing an essential role celebrate and festival. And the Latvia song and festival held every 5 years is a highlight of the country culture's calendar, bringing together 10,000 performers from across the country. Overall, Latvia costumes are rich and there is exploring cultures as participant traditions celebrate in recent country events. This is the dance culture in the country of Latvia. I show you how big the church in the Latvia. This is the culture clothes in Latvia.
Es uzgāju ganītams, turvā mazu atslēdzi. Es atslēdzu meitiņām mīlestības avotiņu.
Here's some traditional culture food in Latvia. The flavor of Latvia: fresh juice, cold soup, Lego cheese, greens, chantilly, rye bread, cottage cheese, lamprey, rhubarb, crabs. Latvia is a small but strong and beautiful country that values freedom, culture, and nature. Its people around of their tradition and history. Latvia is not large, but it has a rich spirit and a deep love for its love and heritage. The Latvia people shown a great strength and unity. Today, Latvians continue to grow as free, creative, and forward-looking country that values both its past and its culture. That's all. Do you enjoy? Thank you for watching.